Today, January 24th, 2022, marks Macintosh Computer Day, which celebrates the same day in 1984 when the very first Macintosh computer, the predecessor of today's Apple computers, were introduced to the public. On February 19, 1985, President Ronald Reagan presented 14 awards to pioneers in the technological field. One of the 14 recipients was none other than Steve Jobs.
In a few moments, 14 Americans will become the first recipients of the National Technology Awards. And you are heroes, each one of you. You just as surely as were Thomas Edison and Alexander Graham Bell. You sing the songs of a people using their hands and minds in freedom, the songs of Americans at work making their lives even more full. And it's only fitting that our nation should pay you honor. And on behalf of the American people, I congratulate you.
Thank you for joining us for this week's Monday Minute in the Archives. Join us next week as we share our next treasure.